Hey, it's Paul from Alan Bujak, eToro Popular Investor Team. In today's news, we're going to talk about Apple's upcoming MacBook release and its competition with Microsoft. If you enjoyed this update, please make sure to drop a like, as it really helps out with the channel, and follow Alan's profile on eToro.com for daily unique articles and news. You can also recommend this to other people who might be interested in listening. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And of course, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our daily market updates and videos about investing and technical breakdowns. So let's get into it. We just heard Apple is preparing to launch the next generation of MacBooks this week. Apple Inc.'s 15-year relationship with Intel Corp will officially begin to dissolve, as Apple is starting to take responsibility for creating the chips in the Mac. Recently, Apple has seen some pretty good gains, including higher than expected sales growth for the Mac, which grew about 7.3% compared to the PC sales growth of only 3.6%. And with that said, everything seems perfectly prepared to embrace a new release of improved MacBooks. With everything unfolding, however, there is a smidge of uncertainty about Apple's vulnerability. The transition to producing their own chips is probably pretty challenging, so it's got consequences for both users and developers. Now, Microsoft, a company that registered an increase of 37% in just the last quarter, and with over $6 billion made in the last 4 quarters, may very well prove more profitable as a result of Apple's transition to manufacturing their own chips, at least until Apple works out any kinks with production. Benzinga actually posed a very interesting survey relating to the change. They asked a group of over 250 investors to express their opinion about which of the two companies will grow more by 2025. About 62% of those investors believe that Apple's price per share will increase more than Microsoft's price per share, while the remaining 37.5% of investors feel the opposite. Tuesday's launch has a lot at stake for Apple. But the company expects these laptops to be so popular that they've actually ordered 2.5 million units for early next year, and they're already planning out the next launch for even later in 2021. This was today's update, so thanks for listening. Happy investing! See you again tomorrow on our YouTube and eToro channel.